Authentic Chicken Adobo. Simple is authentic. Adobo is a lazy dish. Drop everything and leave. In a pot, not skillet, chicken, garlic, whole pepper, bay leaves. 1/2 cup soy sauce. 1/2 cup vinegar. 1/2 cup water. 1:1 ratio. If chicken is frozen, no water needed. Turn off, then drop. Tomato for sides. Turn after 15 minutes. Authentic sides are tomatoes, eggs, or potatoes. Reduce the liquid. Less ingredients is authentic. Authentic is boiling. No need to marinate or sear. It's not adobo state. Ancient way is so delicious. Flavors will bring you to ancient times. Serve with rice, tomatoes, and egg just like the old days. Try, impress friends or in